is okay. Usap kami about politics, nag-usap kami about flood control, nag-usap kami about ano niya, love life niya.
He is alive and well, and it was a very heartwarming visit.
The ICC to hurry up. Matagal man, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you na magpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nilang investigation. And if I am found guilty, I will go to prison and rot there for all time.
The ICC will come. Will you voluntarily submit yourself?
Sipain ko sila mo.
Diretso rin niya ako sa aeroplano.
Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague.
It's not our intention, sir.